Thought I'd pop in for a quick little botany project here, I guess you could call it. Experimenting with some indoor gardening here. I got some peas that are some surprise volunteers, I guess you could say. Grew out of some peas that we had we bought for food, sat in the fridge a little bit too long, and they actually started to sprout a little bit. So we took the actual peas out, grew them. They're about 4, only 2 of them are here today. And they've been grown here by the window, along with these other seedlings. We have some Swiss chard in this row and some spinach in this row. I think some spinach got mixed in there. These are some radishes that have all been growing underneath one of these fluorescent light fixtures. Regular fluorescent, not LEDs, which are decently close to botanical grow lights, is what my dad has told me. And based on the results, it sure looks like it. So what we're doing here today, as you can see, they've actually grown quite a bit in their time here, and it's time to build them some more supports instead of just letting them grow. Unfortunately, this isn't the best placement of a window, but it's the most convenient one that we have in the house. And so this is what we're doing. So what I've done here actually is I put a pin in right into the trim there, and then I ran a fishing line all the way across the other side, and we're going to try to drape these peas on it and see how it does. So I was setting this up, and the one pea plant, I've wrapped this around the fishing line now, goes actually almost to the edge of the window here. So I think what I'm going to do is, it's only a couple inches off the base, put another one probably equally as high right about here. We'll run another line that way, and we'll let them grow together in tandem instead of wrapping around each other. I'm worried that might crunch them too much. So we'll put another pin in here real fast and you can see the process. I'm just going to use a normal fishing line knot to wrap around the pin, and luckily the line stretches, so you don't have to get it super exact. But we'll give it a shot here, and hopefully I'll get a good clip of it.
Messed it up. Let's try it again.
Alright, so I put the other pin in. Hopefully that'll zoom in well enough, but it's a normal line knot. I'm going to leave it pretty low so you can see the 2 pins there compared to the base, and we'll run this all the way across the window as well. Okay, so I got the other side pinned up. You can see I've rerun these. Now I did switch them. This one used to be on the bottom. This one was the loose one, but I have switched them now. They go a fair little way. I'll have to pull this table back, obviously, as they keep growing. And they need a lot of water, so we'll water them next. But I just thought I'd pop in with that, and we'll see how this goes. And hopefully things continue to go well for them. And we get some peas out of it. So hopefully you'll see an update video in another few weeks, or month maybe. And we'll see how much they've grown. Thanks for watching.